my friend, welcome to my new video, the alarm from Larbel. So today I have just this problem and I want to share with you a solution. So I'm trying to write here in the keyboard, and what I'm write, I get nothing what I'm writing here. So even if I write some letter, I get another letter. So I will show you a way to solve this problem. The solution, my friend, is to click Fn here and the Z. Okay, click two at the same time here, and if you try to okay, let's do it again. Fn, sorry, and now you can see that I'm writing without any problem. Okay, and that's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.